Our test suite is passing successfully, but our code is not really application friendly. It's not gonna scale well when we start building and adding more features. For example, in our web.php, we have closures right here. And what if we had to perform like 15 actions before actually returning a view? What were we going to do in that case? So what we're going to be doing is simply refactoring this code to a controller. And remember, our refactoring test, we're just going to refactor, test, and make sure that we still get green at the end of everything, right? So I'm going to switch this out with a post controller that I want to exist, which doesn't exist yet. And this is going to be the index method, which is going to take care of returning our post to us, right? So let's run our test now and see what we get. And we have an error. Post controller does not exist. Let's create our controller. PHP artisan make controller post controller. Controller created. Let's run our test again. And then we have an error saying the method index does not exist. Let's head over to our post controller and create the index method. Run our test again. And then we have field asserting that an empty string contains a simple title. We've gone through this error and we know how to fix it. We just need to find the post and return the view with the data, right? So I'm just going to use the post class right here. And then right here, I can just return a view. And this view is post. And this is with post. And I'm going to find the post in here using the ID that was passed. And obviously we need to receive that ID right here. Okay, so find the post, return a view with that post data. Let's run a test now, and we're done with our refactoring. Hopefully everything works perfectly as it used to do before we started our refactor. Okay, perfect. Everything works good enough.